never change. People are looking for more than ever. People are looking for more income opportunity, more time to build their businesses. Sometimes we got businesses going on in our heads that we got to bring out on paper and bring it into fruition. More flexibility, more independence. Do you guys want to learn how to get up when you're done sleeping? Every good business plan must have these 3 things in place when you're looking at an opportunity, okay? An opportunity. I feel that ever since COVID, there's been a paradigm shift. People are quickly realizing that their jobs are not giving them the lifestyle they desire. Also, what did I just talk about? You need to have a system, the second thing, and community. This is definitely a place where strangers become friends and friends become family. And think about this not only for yourself, but for your friends and family. Are you generating the right kind of income that you desire? There's linear incomes, just like when I worked at Wells Fargo Bank, I was trading time for money. Then there's leverage income. I'm here in California. Paul J. Getty, who has the beautiful 2 museums on the 405 and in Malibu, he's just a billionaire with B. He said, I would rather have 1% on 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own. Then there's residual income. Ladies and gentlemen, you know there's only 2 places you can find them, and we know it, movies and music. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You can find it here as well. Harvard Business School says there's 5 areas to evaluate when you're looking at an opportunity. You want to evaluate the company, the need in the marketplace, the product, the compensation, and the timing, ladies and gentlemen. Harlan